Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's well and okay. The weather today is lovely. It's actually sun shining for a change, isn't it? Hey? Oh, that was a nice kiss. That was a nice kiss for you. Oh, another kiss. Another kiss. Oh, she's full of kisses today, Sammy. And Sammy says hello to everybody. Go on, kiss everybody. Maybe not. Right, today what I'd like to talk about is if your budgie escapes. Now, yesterday I talked about how people let the budgies go out into the wilds. If you want to check that video out, well, it's there on my channel if you'd like to check that out. Now, if your budgie escapes through a window what's been left open, a door that's been left open, it's so easy to do, sadly, and it happens all the time. Where I live on Facebook, people are constantly losing the birds. You wouldn't think it would happen, but it does. So if your bird happens to get outside, then the best thing to try and do, especially if it's close by and it's not got out of sight, keep it in sight and try and coax it with some food. If it happens to escape while you're there. If it happens to escape while you're there, try and take some food such as millet, your bird's favourite food, such as millet or something like that, to try and coax it to you. If you've got a very strong bond with your bird, then you've got about 50% chance of getting your bird back there and then. But it's a very, very low chance you'll get your bird back. I have to be honest about these kinds of things, unfortunately. If your bird escapes, then because of the power of social media now, there's quite a good chance it may have landed in someone else's garden, and they may post on social media about a bird getting lost, and they may take it in temporarily. There is a lot of good people out there who will do this. So sometimes hope is not all lost. Has any of you had a bird that's gone missing? It's very, very distressing and upsetting when this does happen. So you try your best. We're talking about the here and now. You try your best to keep your bird from escaping. Such as windows. Well, luckily, with my windows, I have net curtains, which help tremendously. I know they're a little bit old-fashioned net curtains, but I actually like them. So I can have a window open and not worry about the budgie getting out. Open the windows, I mean. A lot of people don't have net curtains, they have blinds. Blinds are fine too, but we're talking windows that are bare, there's more chance of your bird escaping. If just a window's open and it's just that, you know, the outside world is so appealing to a budgie. And obviously leaving doors open, it's common sense, basically. It's basic common sense. Okay, I think I've covered everything. Hopefully budgies, all your budgies are safe inside. Just think about what I've said. Okay, if you liked this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Okay, has any of you had a budgie that's escaped, and was you successful in getting it back? Please let me know in the comments. Okay.